Here we go. Sun is bright.
Nice and bright, yeah.
Oh. Should have worn my sunglasses, but they would have gone flying probably on this coaster.
I was just thinking that. There we go.
Okay.
That'll
There we
clean
go.
your pockets out if there's anything in there.
Yep. Nice way to start the day.
Oh, yeah. You can definitely see the lap bars wearing out before the change.
Oh. I wish I could ride this thing every day.
Well, like you said, I am really surprised there's not more.
Every park should have one of these.